We're gonna go left up here. There she is.
Alfred Molina as Doc Ock, and they de-aged him.
De-aged him?
Yeah, so they made him look younger because he got old. And
he got old? How did that happen? This is why you wear pants. Oh, fuck. I actually got hit in the face. Very neat, very neat. Oh, fuck. There's fucking thorn bushes through here. Oh, wow, all right. It's funny because I didn't see this opening from the road. Wow, very nice. Ceiling looks like it's like buckling down.
I don't know, we could probably walk on it.
Maybe. I don't understand how this is at all an inn. Looks more like a barn or some shit. Because Aunt Jane's the one that told me about this place. Oop, I fell through the floor. It was like, okay. Wow. This was the kitchen, I assume. It smells really bad in here, yeah. I take it the upstairs, if there is any upstairs, will not be too accessible. Like, there's no steps, is there? This is a weird bathroom. This bathroom is literally just a toilet. Like, no sink, no shower, nothing.
Yeah, they didn't need showers back in the day.
That's really how old this place was. This is before bathing was common. Swastika, mushroom, what you would typically expect. Carpe diem, I think that says on the wall.
Carpe diem.
Insane clown posse. Yeah, Carpe diem in the orange letters.
I'm pretty sure it's like a laugh for seize the day or something.
It is. The basement's like full of like water.
Oh, good.
It's like flooded. There's no stairs. Oh, this is nice. Maybe the front door. I'm curious if this would have opened or not. Might be nailed shut. I can't entirely tell. So weird. Because you have like this TV right here. Yep. That's like really old as shit. But then you have a computer as well. Or is this around the same time period maybe?
Yeah, maybe. Probably.
That monitor.
TV's probably a bit older.
So this is the main room. That's where we came in. So all this shit, that just leads right out the same way. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna walk around up here. I don't trust the floor up here, but this is one of the rooms. Like, that room is not safe. Oh, there's even like a attic or something to it, I think. Meaningless room right here. Cool. Now this is the other room. Oh, darn, too bad we can't go in there. It almost looks kind of neat. Alright. So that's best view we're gonna get of that room, I guess.
My light work this way. This little pulley.
Oh, wow. At least they kept the bulb in there. At least they got something right. They kept a bulb in there for humans.
Definitely not for horses. It's just small, but like
maybe mini
like,
horses. Yeah, it looks like
door.
a barn, doesn't it?
Well, that's what I thought. I was like, maybe people just rode horses and they just like.
That's how old this place maybe is. Now there's like this little thing here. Oh, perks of not being fat. You could probably even go in through there. I don't know if this is the same one or not. So that was an easy fit. Hey, Squidward's bicycle, his cucumbent bicycle, I think, right here. Yeah. Oh, it says "Stop a Loser." Hey. So it's weird, like there's this part of it, but then for some reason they like boarded off this part of it for whatever fuck all reason. Okay, gotta use the pole for this section. TV, it looks like there's like chairs sitting there, as if they would watch anyone come in. Oh yeah, because this you can just kind of like push it apart. Okay, let's go see that sign, I guess. It's funny how they have like one of those, they have one of those signs as if it's like a landmark and it's just some abandoned fucking building. You could hardly even consider it an inn, it's just more like a house, but maybe that's what inns were back in the day. Wallenbeck Inn, route of Catskill Turnpike, first road built in town. Old Post Road and stage route used from Mecklenburg to Kirby's 1826. State Education Department 1935. Oh, interesting. I don't know what any of that means, but okay.
Oh my gosh.
What?
That tree. It's Joe.
Oh! The trees have eyes! That's so fucking creepy.
I was gonna say that's like right in your face.
I didn't even, oh my God. Imagine like he just came to life while I was just sitting here. He sticks his tongue out and it touches my ear. It's funny. Our aunt's worried about ghosts and stuff, but that's the scariest thing I think I saw here. And it's not even at the actual place. It's like outside of it. Oh.
I dropped my nut.
Oh, I don't know why I held up this camera. Okay, let's go.